Hello everyone, welcome to the demonstration video of Advanced Dashboard Ninja with AI. In this video, I'll guide you through an exciting feature, creating dynamic charts using custom queries and advanced filters like unique user ID and authentic My Company filter. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what a custom query is. In our previous videos, we explored how to create various charts and tiles using a single data model. However, there are scenarios where we need to extract data from multiple models or apply advanced query options. This is where the custom query feature in Dashboard Ninja Advanced comes into play. Today, I'll demonstrate how to use this feature to create dynamic charts from different models. Let's get started. First, click on Create New Chart. For this demonstration, we'll select a line chart. I'll name it Line Chart, showing sale orders of different partners. Now, instead of selecting the default query, choose Custom Query and enter your custom query. Here, I'll input a query that combines data from two models, Res Partner and Sale Order. Next, let's configure the parameters. I'll select Client as the parameter. Once done, click Save and Close. And there you have it. The chart has been successfully created and is visible on the dashboard. This showcases the power of the custom query feature, allowing you to pull data from multiple models and tailor charts to your specific needs. Now, let's explore the unique user ID feature. This feature dynamically filters dashboard data based on the logged-in user, providing personalized insights. Let me show you how it works. We'll create a bar chart and name it Bar Chart, showing sale orders of logged-in user. Again, we'll select Custom Query and enter the following query. Select star from sale order where user ID is equal to #UID. Next, I'll choose the parameters, user ID and partner ID. Once everything is set, click Save and Close. The chart is now created and displays sale order data specific to the logged-in user. To see the dynamic filtering in action, I'll log out and log back in as a different user, Demo User. Notice how the data has been updated to reflect only the sale orders associated with Demo User. This dynamic filtering ensures that each user sees only the data relevant to them. Next, let's look at the authentic My Company feature. This filter dynamically adjusts the data based on the selected company. Here's how it works. I'll log back in as Mitchell Admin and create another bar chart, naming it Bar Chart showing sale orders of different companies. Again, I'll select Custom Query and enter the query. Select star from sale order where company ID is equal to #mycompany. I'll then configure parameters, such as partner ID, and click Save and Close. The chart is now created. Initially, it displays data for the default company. If I change the selected company, uncheck the current one, and select another, the chart dynamically updates to reflect the new selection. And that's it! With Advanced Dashboard Ninja, you can create highly dynamic and customizable charts using features like Custom Query, Person UID, and Person My Company. These tools empower you to extract meaningful insights tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions or want to explore more features, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.